These grilled butterfly shrimp with garlic and chili are not only simple to cook with 5 ingredients, they also only take 10 minutes from start to finish. And it is very easy to eat too. For this recipe, I'm using 250 grams of fresh shrimp. I have prepared the shrimp by removing the whisker and legs, deveining the shrimp and cut the back open like this. If we press the back open, it will look like a butterfly. 3 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onions, 1 tablespoon of chopped chili, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We are starting with marinating the shrimp with salt. Rub a sprinkling of salt on the inside of the shrimp's back so that each piece of the shrimp will have taste. Continue with the rest of the shrimp. As I still have a little bit of salt left, I will sprinkle it over all of the shrimp. And now we put it aside. Next, we are going to fry the garlic and infuse the cooking oil with garlic. Heat the pan to medium-high. Pour in all the cooking oil. Wait for the oil to heat up. Now put in all the garlic. And stir fry for 2 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Remove the garlic from the pan and put it aside. I will also collect the garlic oil to brush on the shrimp during grilling. Next, prepare the grilling pan. Place some foil on the pan. This is to prevent the shrimp from getting stuck when cooking and also help to keep the mess to a minimum. The shrimp head will release a lot of juice during cooking, which can easily burn and stain the pan later. However, the foil is optional. Switch on the heat. Wait for 2 minutes until the pan and the foil is really hot. You can taste it by hovering your hand slightly above the foil. If you can feel a bit of warmth, it means the pan is hot. Next, use a small brush to brush the foil with garlic oil and over the grilling surface. This can be done before the foil goes into the pan as well. Next, we are grilling the shrimp. Flip open the back of the shrimp and put it top down on the foil like this. Try to put it as straight as possible. This allows all the shrimp meat to get in contact with the heat. Repeat the rest of the shrimp. Arrange them neatly to accommodate all of the shrimp in one go, so that we don't need to cook the second batch. Now all of the shrimps are in the pan. We are brushing the garlic oil on all of the shrimp to get a nice garlic aroma coating the shrimp. After 2 minutes, some of the shrimp turn orange toward the bottom of the pan. Let's see if it's ready to be flipped. Okay, the tail part is not cooked yet, it's still gray. Press down on the shrimp's tail to have them cook evenly. Since the center of the pan is getting more heat, I am arranging the shrimp so that they can be cooked evenly. Press down the shrimp tail if they are not getting in contact with the heat. After 3 to 4 minutes, the shrimp are quite cooked. Give them a turn. And use a spoon to press down the shrimp that is not in contact with the heat. These two are quite cooked, so I will push them aside and push this slightly uncooked shrimp to the center. Now the body is quite cooked. I will arrange all the shrimp again so that the head is in the center of the pan. This is to ensure that the shrimp head are cooked as well. This will take around 2 minutes. In the final minute, brush the shrimp with the garlic oil again. You can also use some of the shrimp juice at the bottom of the pan to brush on its body. It will be richer in flavor. Now the shrimps are cooked, switch off the heat. Remove the shrimp from the pan and arrange them on the serving plate with their back facing up. Now we are making the gravy. On the foil, there is a lot of shrimp's flavor that is left behind. This is very rich and very delicious. Put 1 tablespoon of hot water onto the foil. Use the brush to gently mix the shrimp essence with the water to make the gravy. Brush all that gravy onto the shrimp for maximum flavor. Oh wow! Now we can sprinkle all the toppings. The crispy fried garlic. Try to sprinkle the topping onto the shrimp's body. Next, the chopped chili. And finally, the chopped spring onions. The shrimp looks so delicious. There you have it. Delightful grilled shrimp with crispy garlic for dinner. It is so beautiful and colorful. It is even perfect for special occasions. What I like about it is that it is easy to eat. Just lift up the flesh from the shell and we have a spoonful of shrimp meat. Let's eat! Wow! The shrimps are fresh, sweet and so flavorful with lovely fragrance of fried garlic. I love it. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please share it and subscribe for more simple home-cooked dishes like this. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!